We're in Dunedin. It's the beer capital of New Zealand. This is the place that we make our liquid malt. In fact, it's a Spates brewery just up the road. The ingredients are sourced from New Zealand. We're very proud of that. We have great malts, great hops. It's been mashed, it's been boiled, and then we've extracted the water and put it in a can. So our customers can have this beer in a can delivered to them and make the same beer every single time.
Late 1800s, Spates Brewery has been producing here. Williams Warren recognised that we're producing the best extract internationally. They provide us the recipes that they want, and we ultimately produce the extract. Any brewer that's brewing from grain needs to produce wort. All we do is just concentrate that. All that hard work of extracting from grains and heating processes, all done by us. It's starting with natural New Zealand ingredients. We've got a state-of-the-art German brew house. The only difference is there comes a fork in the road where the wort will go to a fermenter to be fermented into beer, or we'll go through a gentle evaporation process to form an extract. So all we're doing is taking the water out. All those natural ingredients are all still present, but in a concentrated form.
We work very closely with our core customers, particularly in terms of the innovation space. Someone like Williams Warren, who's come onto the world market with revolutionary hardware. So they'll come up with a concept, and then we'll go away and make that happen using those pilot brews to match that hardware and give the customers what they want.
We use a range of different fermentation vessels, one of them being the Williams Warren Brewmaster. We have some brew kegs on site here as well. I know that when I grab a can of liquid malt extract that's made here at Spates, it is top quality product, and you can make just as good a beers from malt extract as what you can from all grain.
All our materials come to site with certificates of analysis, and then right throughout the process we're monitoring key control points, and a big part of that is the quality control side of it. There's no preservatives, everything's natural. It's a stable product. Removing that water out creates a stability in it as far as micro stability and ultimately flavour stability as well.
People don't get the results they want because of some of the parameters that aren't being controlled. The Williams Warren kit gives you that absolute certainty that you can control all those brewing parameters as a commercial brewery would.
It's really about making it easy, whether you're a home brewer or a trade business that wants to brew on premise. This is 10 litres of beer. A lot easier to transport this and store this than storing the equivalent liquid wort. We are absolutely focused on quality. This IPA is the same every time that we produce a batch, and it's consistent. So our customers can take this product and produce the same beer every single time.